Finding the equation of a line and midpoint calculation. Today, we will determine the equation of a line that passes through points at 12 and B48 and find the midpoint of segment of. First, let's draw the coordinate axes and mark the given points. Point A is at 12 and point B is at 48. Using the slope formula, dot M equals open parenthesis y sub to minus y sub 1 close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis x sub to minus x sub 1 close parenthesis. Substitute the values. M equals open parenthesis 8 minus to close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis for minus 1 close parenthesis. Simplifying, meter equals 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. So the slope M equals 2. The line equation is in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Substitute pointer 1, 2 and slope m equals 2. 2 equals to times 1 plus b. Simplifying, point 2 equals to plus b. Solving for b, b equals to minus 2, which equals O. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals to x. Now, let's plot this line on the coordinate plane. Calculating the midpoint of segment of. Using the midpoint formula. Substitute points at 12 and B48. Simplifying, M equals open parenthesis 5 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 close parenthesis. M equals open parenthesis to point 5, 5 close parenthesis. We now mark the midpoint M to point 5, 5 on the coordinate plane.